never saw it coming. I couldn't read the signs. I don't know why I let you in this time. I must be blind. I guess I couldn't trust you, 'cause all you did was lie.
Good morning everyone, and welcome back to another video. I have not done an intro like this in quite a while, and I'm not really sure why. I mean, I was probably just a little bit lazy, but anyways guys, welcome to another video on this channel. Before we get into the video, please do me one big favor guys and hit the subscribe button if you have not already. We are very close to 100 subscribers, and I'm super new to YouTube, so obviously like 100 is not really a big number, but you know, it's a milestone for beginners for sure. And if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. In today's video, I will be meeting with, obviously you are probably already seen this person on my channel quite a few times already, but we're gonna be meeting another person as well too, and this will be the Lynn squad. Anyways guys, let's go meet some Lynn boys, shall we? Just like that, we're at the beach. So John Anthony has decided to oversleep before meetings, so that's hashtag wonderful. We spotted a wild John Anthony in the bushes right over here. Wakey wakey sleep. This guy decided to oversleep. Explain this here.
I believe this is the fountain of youth.
The fountain of youth. So if I touch it, will it get younger?
Yes.
Alright. I'm gonna some test right now. You do?
No. Look at the top of his head.
This man flies a plane, you're saying?
And Phil, he flies.
This is... So we have a newcomer to the vlog today. His name is Phil Henderson. Future teammates? Oh,
My
yes.
roommate, too.
Roommate? Oh, even cooler.
Roomies.
Roomies for life.
This is the bar where we get, you know, the drinks.
The drinks. Oh, yes.
I come here for water.
You come here for water because you're a good boy. That's right.
First time for everything.
Man, what is this? Is this like a dinner party thing or something? Oh wait, this is a restaurant.
Good morning.
Thank you, good morning. We got the pool here.
There's a pool. Dude, I got access.
Is it? Oh, you got access. Bro, that paper. Whoa. I don't know. Look at that. This is the Clearwater beach vlog, guys. Except with a twist. With a twist. And now this is the beach. What a view. Can we spot Philip flying maybe? This boy likes to fly planes. We're in the next part of the lobby now, the second building. Arts.
I painted that one.
You painted that one?
Yes.
Dude, that's so cool. I mean, oh my gosh.
Art is art.
Way to go.
I should get an Oscar.
You should. I think we found the secret room.
Spa.
A spa?
I was gonna get a spa, but it costs $400.
$400? Are you kidding me?
Dude, that's a lot better. Rejuvenate me. This is the fitness center.
The push door. Ooh. Smells like rubber. This man is getting his pre-run warm-up in on the treadmill. Shall I do the same too, guys? Yep, it's going up.
Walk. No, we're not.
John Anthony's gonna get kicked out within the next hour. The Clearwater Beach.
Dude, look, I know how to read Braille.
The water's not even clear.
Parking garage.
Going up. Going up. Oh yeah.
My floor.
We have to do like the Christmas tree from the elf scene on here.
Oh, beautiful.
Looks like a Christmas tree.
Oh my gosh, why did you do that? I didn't think you were being serious. We are going back to the car to drop some stuff off and to get some stuff. We now embark to the beach.
Yes. Volleyball tournament. Can you join?
Yeah, I'll join the volleyball tournament.
Dude, you want to spike?
I'm gonna get
every single ball.
I'm gonna get spiked so hard in the face.
I'm actually pretty bad at it.
It's gonna end my season right there. We just got to the beach now. This is gonna be our pre-run beach day. As Nicocado Avocados would say, I have to film every day, rain or shine. We have to film, regardless of the circumstances. Yes, sir. We now go on the pier. The pier spear. Link.
Blanquito. He won't pick up.
He's not going to pick up. What do we have here? What do you see? Oh, it's those hats. We know what you mean right now.
Definitely want to buy a hat.
We are now finally getting ready for the run. He's got the Saucony guides. We got my Nikes today. And how many miles are you going today?
I have 8 today.
8. Well, I have about 7 today, so depending on pace, we'll see where we go. We now chill here and wait for Philip. Yes. We are waiting for our other Lynn boy. As of now, we're waiting. How would you describe Lynn University?
Lynn University, so far, I've met a bunch of people on the team, and they seem pretty cool people.
Seem pretty cool.
I'm excited to be teammates with them.
How's the university itself?
The university itself, it's a very small campus, but it's beautiful.
Small campuses are always good, man.
There's the aviation program, obviously, which I'm going into. So it seems like this is a great opportunity for me to start out my college career.
Lit, dude, lit.
Lit.
Alright, Big 7 with the boys today. We got Papa John over here, we got Philip Henderson over here. This is the Lynn squad. Welcome. And welcome Philip to the channel, guys. How would you say that run was, Papa John? How was it?
Honestly, it was way too hot, but
Too hot? How about yourself, Philip? This man was running with his shirt around his head at the end. I swear, you guys, these are the only good Nikes. Do not at me. These are the only good ones. The rest kind of suck. Unpopular opinion of the day. Anthony, what is the next plan of the day?
We're gonna go find something to munch on.
Something to munch on. Are you excited for that, Philip?
Yeah, I'm excited for that.
He's excited. Oh, yes.
I'm gonna pick up some girls while we're at it.
Oh boy, John. He's a player, guys. He knows what he's doing. We are here with Papa John and Philip Henderson. We are about to get some food. You feeling hungry?
I'm starving.
Really hungry?
Eat a whole cow.
Oh, okay. Eating a whole cow, guys. Watch out. I think this fan's gonna fall off soon.
Oh yeah.
It's gonna hit Philip.
officially made it to the beach, and it is so hot out. Like,
Splashing
oh my gosh.
time. Damn.
Yes, sir. It's time to get in the water. Social distancing, guys. Remember, stay 6 feet apart from people.
What's going on, everyone, and welcome back. So this is gonna be the end of the video. We just came back from the beach, and yeah, I mean, we did a lot today. I came here, went to the beach for a bit, then went on a 7-mile run and got some breakfast, went back to the beach, and now I'm about to head back home and take a big fat nap because it's been a pretty long day and my legs are feeling it a little bit. But anyways, guys, I really hope you enjoyed today's video. Make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more content in the future like this. And make sure you guys hit that subscribe button for sure, because we are very close to 100 subscribers. We are just so close, like we're at 91 right now. But anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed today's video, and peace out. Just kidding. I actually have some strides to do because I forgot to do them at the beach. So we are now at my middle school track. Well, I'm gonna do them in the grass, but yep. Remember to do your summer training. Do not slack off, guys. Do the work, get it done. It's gonna hurt, but you gotta do it, and that's how you guys can get stronger. So I'm gonna get a few quick strides in, and that's it for my training for today. Probably do some strengthening, maybe some stretching later tonight. But other than that, that's most of the training for the day. So let's get to it.